welcome back. So for today's video we're going to be doing half fall and half summer. Since summer is over, at least where I am, I decided it'd be nice to see the difference between one side and the other. So before I continue, please don't forget to like this video before you leave and subscribe to my channel as well. And let's get on with the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I'm going to be priming my eyes, and I'm just going to be taking my Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer as a primer for both sides. Just rub that in. Okay, now to set my eyes, I'm going to be taking my Marc Jacobs Omega Shadow in the shade Perfect O. This is a really nice color to cancel out everything because I think it's very pigmented and it's such a nude color. I think this would go good with a lot of skin tones. I also got this shadow courtesy of Influencers, so thank you very much, Influencers. I actually love this. It's great, really great for canceling out everything. I now have a clear canvas to work on. Good. Okay, so now for the summer look, I'm going to try to go for this Nicki inspired look, and hopefully I get the picture up over here so you guys can see, and this is what we're going to be aiming for. And to achieve that look, we're going to be using our Morphe 35B palette with all these wonderful colors over here. Okay, so Nicki has a lot of pink on the outer side, so we're going to be going in with this one over here. And we're going to be putting that, oops, this is the summer side. And we're going to be putting that, just tapping it and blowing it out just like Nicki has. Ooh, that's pigmented. Okay, now that we applied this color with a flat brush, we're just going to take a fluffy brush and we're just going to blend out those edges. Just taking a little bit of purple to help blend out those edges. And now taking another flat brush, we're going to be going into this yellow in the corner over here. And again, just pack that color onto the inner side of your eye. I think it'll create almost of an orange look. As you can see right there, the color is changing. Okay, now we're going to be taking our NYX concealer in the shade 04 in order to cut our crease. And this is going to be a half cut crease, so make sure not to go all the way, and you just want to go a little bit above your eyelid, especially if you have hooded eyes like me. Okay, now that we have a cut crease, I'm going to be taking some of that same brush that we used to put the pink on the outer side of our corner, and I'm just going to fluff that in near the concealer is so we don't have a harsh line right there separating the pink from the cut crease. So I'm going to go back in with this Sephora Duo brush, and I'm going to be taking the pointed side and dipping it into the yellow so I can be more precise on where I want the yellow to be. So if you notice that the lighting is different, it's because I just realized my little ring light was off, so there's that. And just put the yellow near 1/3 of the waterline. Okay, so I'm just going to go back in with the concealer again just to fix that cut crease where I put the yellow and kind of mess it up a bit, but that's okay because we're just applying concealer over it and it should be fine. And I'm going to take a flat brush and go into this white over here in the Morphe 35B palette and set right where we put the concealer. I'm using tapping motions in order to get the most pigment. Okay, so I'm looking at the picture right now and it looks like Nicki has some glitter going on top of here. So we're going to be taking the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art and taking the glittery side and outlining that crease. Okay, now we're just going to quickly do our eyebrows. Looking at where I applied the glitter, I know it looks like I put it super duper high as my crease, but look, when I go down, it's normal. That's why I like to put the crease just a little bit above my eyelid, because if you don't, then you won't even be able to see the glitter. Okay, now it's time for eyeliner. Nicki has a really thick wing in this, so I'm going to make a really thick wing in this. Get some Tarte eyeliner. Let's get that wing. And let's go. Okay, now that we have the summer eye ready, we're going to get the fall one. So I'm going to be taking my 25A palette from Morphe, and I'm going to head into this color over here get that in my brush, tap off the excess, and start applying that all over my crease. Okay, next I want to take an outer corner brush and go from middle, one down. Tap, and go outside. And if you put a little bit too much, just like I did, I'm going to be taking a blending brush and moving that around seamlessly. Ooh, this eye. In the same outer corner brush, we're going to be going into this color over here. Just put that more in tapping motions. One thing I will notice that when I do makeup in the summer, it takes me more time to do the eye versus just like your everyday neutral brown look. See, like I feel like I'm almost done with this side. And now what we're going to do is take any of these shimmers you want. I usually go for this one, as you can see, it has a big indent right there. And I'm just going to take that on my finger and apply it to the inner corners of my eye. Ooh, yes, this color. Okay, so what I did was I took this pointer brush over here by Morphe, and I used this color down here in order to highlight both of my brow bones. Can you see that right there? Now I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Ultra Liner Waterproof in the shade brown, in the color brown, not the shade brown, the color brown. I'm going to do my wing. And I'm also going to use my white eyeliner down here just to make myself look more awake. Okay, so I've already applied my two different primers, and for the summer we usually do a matte look, so I'm going to be using this Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Foundation. And then I'm going to be using this one also by Maybelline, the Dewey Smooth Fit Me Foundation. On this side of my face I'm going to be more contouring, and on this side of my face I'm going to be mainly putting on some bronzer because we still want to look like we have that tan, and over here it's like we already have it and we would just want some stronger cheekbones. Blush is the same. I would also say highlighter is the same. So I'm going to be using Ofra, and I usually just mix the three of them together. This one is called Everglow. Oh, for this one I'll put it a little bit on my forehead. Can I just get half of my nose? More here. And just this half of my lip. Also do it on here. And we're going to finally finish with some lip. Okay, so here's the final look. I wouldn't normally put this pink with this much pink, but I thought, why not? So I really hope you guys enjoyed this half fall, half summer look. I enjoyed making it. As you can see, the skin is more dewier over here and it's more matte over here. I really like it a lot. I'm happy with both of these sides, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. And if you did, please don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel as well. And don't forget to see the rest of my videos as well. I have more videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Wow, I just realized I hate myself. Kind of look like a raccoon.